Rocknchop built Coyote swaps.
All right, folks, we back. As you can see, everything's stripped down, all the way down. Now, got to weld the bar up to brace the front. That way, once we cut everything out, the frame will stay nice and square. Real quick, so took off the spring perch on this side. See all the tools, air hammer, cut off wheel, a whole bunch of stuff. So I'm gonna get this other side. I got a little bit of time left on my phone. I'm actually running out of memory, which is crazy. So probably won't be able to record the full cutout of everything, but what I'll do is I'll bring y'all back and forth for short snippets, but I do want to show y'all how I cut off the rivets and what I have to do to get the spring perch off. So let me put you on the bipod real quick and then just give y'all a quick rundown. All right, so real quick, didn't make no sense to put it on the bipod. So I got to take off these rivets. It's kind of hard to see because of all the surface rust, but it's 1, 2, 3. It's a rivet here, a rivet here, and then it's a bolt here. On some trucks they're all rivets, some have bolts all the way on the underside, but it's always going to be rivets on the side of the spring perch. So I'm gonna get those out. Way I do get to this particular one, got to cut this off. You can either use a wire wheel or you got to cut this off. I don't need to tell people how to do it. So I'm gonna get all the rivets cut off, or at least to the point where I'm gonna start air hammering it out, and then I'll show you. And basically what I'll do, I'll just take a slit with the cutoff wheel, one slit there, one slit across, and then I'll come and punch it out with the air hammer. So I'll try to cut this up, make it short and sweet, because like I said, I'm running out of memory, and so I can't give you all the full gist, but yeah, we're gonna work something out. All right, y'all, welcome back. Hopefully y'all can still see it, but yeah, so you see I got the cross hatches, got the air hammer with the chisel, somewhat chisel, but yeah, so we're gonna knock them out. I know it sounds funny, I got a mask on, because when you grinding and doing all this stuff, it's sending metal and rust in the air, and you don't want to breathe that shit in. I'd already made a mistake not putting a mask on when I did the other side. All right, so you see how I got it out. I'm gonna show myself grinding down with the flax wheel, and then we'll get back to it. Like I said, I'm running out of memory. It kept jumping doing camera angles, and then obviously I got a weak air hammer. So Be right back, y'all, with the grinding down, and then Shelby take this one off. I'm about to just grind down this little piece, and then I'm air hammer it out. Get the air hammer. Now come through the side and knock this thing up. Take the air hammer, I'm gonna hammer in here to pull it away from the frame. Then there should be a little bracket piece that should come off as well. It's 3 stamps, but let's get it going.
Thanks for watching.